Hello, Crypto Tester here. In this video I show you a little trick, actually a tool that will notify you when the Ethereum gas cost will reach a certain value. In particular, you want to be informed when the gas fee goes under a certain value. For example, here you see that the lowest you can have now is 20 GUI, and for a simple transaction that means you pay $1. But if you want to do more complex stuff like sending an ERC20 token, it will cost $3, not $1. If you want to do a Uniswap swap, it costs you $9. And if you want to add liquidity, then it's gonna be $8. That's with the lowest value, 20 GUI. If you do 27, that's in the middle, the values, and a bit more in here, the highest one, which is the fastest, but then it's the most expensive one. So that said, you go to this tool here, which is linked at 9000.HAL.XYZ here, and you scroll down to a recipe that is in Chainlink here. So as you can see here, there is track gas price. Then you can click here to be notified about the gas price. You click it, and then you can simply put the value you want. For example, I wanted to be notified when the gas is under 10, and here the symbol is this one, so under 10. Then what to do? Then you want to send an email, for example. You wanna get a post on Discord or something else. You can just configure it. If you wanna just something simple, you just put here your email, blah 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 at gmail.com, for example. Then you can customize the message. You can say hey, for example. Then you can even put a subject, so gas price under 10 GUI, for example. And then you just click here on the preview. You'll see the stuff here. You have to name the name also here, and then you can click on create and have your recipe here. So that was a test, so just delete it. But that's it, basically as simple as that. I already tested it, it works. And the only thing is that you have 1000 matches per month, else then you can just create a subscription, by clicking here. Then you will get premium options. Hope this video helped you. If so, give it a like, subscribe my channel to get more information like this and yield farming opportunities and other information related to the blockchain and crypto. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.